Hey guys, today me try understand inflation, and me already feel brain melt. Me stand at soup tent with 5 shiny tooth tokens in hand, ready to trade for thick, smoky goat bone broth. That soup, me favorite, it make belly dance. Last moon it only cost 5 tooth tokens. But now, soup lady glare at me and say 10, 10, me grunt. Me say no, last time, 5, she say last time different moon, now soup cost more, that's inflation, dummy. Me no like this word, me think inflation maybe means soup get bigger, like soup inflate, more air, more puff. But no, inflation mean me get less soup for more teeth, caveman confused. Inflation mean me get less soup for more teeth, caveman confused. Me storm off to glowing rock tent where men in robes chant about price index and macro policy. Me shout, why soup cost more? Whole tribe laugh at caveman. One skinny elder say, go read Fed report. Me say, what is Fed? He say, the people who print the teeth. At that moment, caveman brain fall out ear. But listen, if you no learn this thing, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit, holding worthless shiny teeth while hungry raccoons steal your stew. So, before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell caveman in comments, where your cave? What moon time? Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. We go find the beast called inflation, and maybe we make it our pet. So me ask smart elder, what be this, inflation? He say, inflation is when your money lose muscle. Same money, but now it weak like sleepy goat. Caveman blink slow. Me say, but me still have same number of tooth tokens. He say, yes, but now they buy less. Me walk to wool cloak seller. Last moon nice cloak was 20 tooth tokens. Me count 20 clink clink clink, me hold out hand. Seller laugh. Cloak now 35. 35, caveman do math. But math punch me in face. If cloak price go up, but me no get more tooth tokens, then me cloakless and cold. Caveman scream into sky, who steal value from tooth tokens? That when elder point to magic paper with chart, it show how price of soup, cloak, and goat keep climbing. He call it consumer price index. Me call it pain mountain. Elder say, inflation normal when slow, like tortoise, but if too fast, you in big burning pit of ouch. Now caveman start see it. It make money look same but feel weak, like warrior who train all day but punch like chicken. Caveman feel angry. Why nobody warn tribe? Why nobody scream value escape before it too late? Inflation not just price go up, it power of money go down. It like chasing goat with legs tied, still confused, me too. But wait, story get worse. Because some people, like inflation, after soup tent disaster, caveman tribe blend in with smart tribe. They sit in circle around glowing rock, whispering strange names, Jerome Powell, rate hikes, CPI. Me think they summon sky god, one wear necktie. Me ask, you shaman? He say, no, I'm an economist. Me nod slowly. So fancy shaman. He show me graph, say line go up. This inflation line, he say, it climbing. Me ask, why that bad? He say, because when line go up, your money go down. Me say, so line lie? He say, no, line warn. Caveman brain hurt. Then one trader bang chest and say, inflation at 6.2%. Whole group gasp like someone farted in cave. Panic everywhere. One man run out shouting, buy rice, buy gold, save your future. Another woman cry, rent go up again. One skinny man whisper, please, someone explain treasury yield curve. Me say, is that a snake? They throw rock at me. Cavemen feel lost, like goat in bank. Then someone shout, inflation protection bonds. Another say, buy real estate. Another say, just invest in Bitcoin. Cavemen try shout, me have shiny rock too, but it just normal rock. No one care. Caveman feel naked, not body naked, brain naked. Why everyone obsessed with inflation? Because it touch everything. Price of firewood, price of goat, price of home, even love. Me friend Unga say his girlfriend leave him, say he no provide enough. Poor Unga. He say, Me used to afford flowers, now flowers cost like goat kidney. Caveman realize, inflation not just tribe problem. It relationship problem, it life problem, and still, me no know where it come from, but soon, cavemen find out, and it hurt. Okay, so cavemen think he's smart now. Tribe complain, everything costs too much. Elders grumble, warriors can't afford spears, younglings trade berries for internet sticks, whole tribe cry. Caveman step forward, puff chest, say, me have solution, me dig hole. Me find big pile of unused tooth tokens buried by old chief. Me say, aha, if everyone have more tokens, then problem go away. So me do big thing. Me start giving out free tooth tokens. Everyone gets some, even raccoon. People cheer, they carry caveman on shoulders, me hero. But then, problem begin. At first, tribe happy. They buy extra cloaks, more soup, even fancy cave rugs with design of lion roar. But sellers start look suspicious. One say, everyone got more tokens, so me charge more. Soup now 12 tokens, next moon 15. Cloaks now 50 tokens. Me jaw fall off. Me friend Bobo shout, why cloak cost double? Cloak seller say, because now everyone have double tokens. Me no stupid. Suddenly everything rise, not joy, prices. Cavemen panic. Me cause this. Elders gather in secret cave, they whisper, cavemen create inflation flood, now tribe drown in tokens. Wife storm home. Why we need 100 tokens to buy firewood? Me say, but me gave everyone more. She throw wooden bowl at me. You fool, you make money too many, now it worth too little. Cavemen sit in shame puddle. What me thought was kindness become curse. Now cavemen learn, money not just numbers, money must be trusted. Too much, value fall like rotten fruit from tree. Tribe no longer cheer cavemen, they hide tokens in sock, they cry over soup price. And me realize, inflation not just sneaky, it can be caused by good intentions. After me ruin whole tribe, elder banker summoned caveman to cave with paper scrolls, glowing calculator, and smell of old goat. He say, sit, young rockhead, time to learn. Me sit. He draw a picture in dirt, 1 soup bowl, 5 tokens, everyone nod, fair trade. Then he draw same bowl, but now 20 tokens around it. He grunt, same soup, but too many tokens chasing it, so price rise. Caveman scratch beard. So more tokens no mean more soup, he slam bone stick. No, too many tokens chase same goods, it stretch price like mammoth skin over squirrel. Me say, but me thought give more tokens, help poor. Elder sigh. Yes, you try help, but help with fire still burn house if not careful. Then he tells story of another tribe, faraway land with strange name, Zimbabwe. He say they print so much money, they need wheelbarrow just to buy egg, 1 wheelbarrow. Caveman shocked, you lie, he throw photo at me, not lie, real photo, real egg. Then he whisper, money is like salt, little bit, preserve meat, too much, ruin pot. Cavemen stare into fire, so that the first trick, don't flood tribe with money, even if heart good. Too many tokens turn tribe rich for 1 moon, then poor forever, like feast before famine. Cavemen now fear shiny tooth tokens, not because they sharp, but because they deceive, make you think you have more power. But what good is 100 tokens, if all they buy is 1 bone? After elder scare caveman with egg wheelbarrow story, me go sit by river and cry softly like injured elk. Then scribe girl approach. She smart, wear glasses, smell like papyrus and courage. She say, you still confused about inflation? Caveman nod. Me no understand why tribe leaders print more money if it cause price fire. She sit beside me and say, because when danger come, they panic. Like when bear enter cave, you grab everything, even things that not help. She tell me story. Long ago, tribe faced sickness, big one. People cough, fall, hug no more. Tribe leaders say, close cave, no work, stay inside. People scared, no trade, no tokens move. So what leaders do, they print. She say they give out tokens to keep tribe alive. Free coins, free food, free everything. At first, tribe cheer. Fire warm, bellies full. But moons pass, now tokens everywhere. And guess what? Soup price rise, cavemen eyes widen. So they do it to save tribe but create long pain? Yes, sometimes tribe must choose, freeze now or burn later. She show me scroll wartime, more printing, disease time, more printing, election time, oh boy, extra printing. Caveman remember time he panic hunted 40 mammoths during famine. He wanna feel safe, but meat rot before tribe eat. She say, you see, more is not always better, more is just more. But meat rot before tribe eat. She say, you see, more is not always better, more is just more. Caveman feel wind blow through skull, not breeze, realization. So that trick number 2, when leaders afraid, they print. But fear make bad cooks. But fear make bad cooks. Cavemen whisper to wind. Fear make meat raw and money soft. Cavemen still sulk. Inflation monsters seem bigger now. Invisible, sneaky, strong. Me drag feet back to cave. Inside, wife stir stew. She no happy, she slam wooden spoon. Why you act like lost monkey, you still no understand? Me grunt. Me try, inflation hard. It like shadow that steal while you blink. She roll eyes. Come, me show you something. She bring out price scroll from under cooking rock. Point at it. Last moon, she say, bag of flour was 8 tokens, now 10. Me squint. That not big jump, she nod. Exactly, that how they get you, not all at once, but slow, like frog in warm water. She nod. Exactly, that how they get you, not all at once, but slow, like frog in warm water. Me confused. Frog? She ignore. It called creeping inflation. Merchants raise price a little each moon, you no notice, until one day you broke. She pull out receipts. Even salt cost more. Toothbrush rocks, firewood, my eyebrow threader, everything. Me gulp. You think inflation just magic? No, people respond to it. They raise prices, wages, rent. It ripple across tribe like angry river. Then she lean in. Also, when merchants expect inflation, they raise price before it happen, just in case. Preemptive price pounce. Me say, so inflation becomes self-fulfilling ghost? She nods slow. Yes, big head. She paws, hand on hip. Also, maybe if you stop handing out free tokens like candy, stew meat no cost 25 tokens. Me whisper, me sorry, but she not done. She say, third trick is this. Inflation not always loud, sometimes it whisper, but by time you hear it, it already eat your wallet. Caveman blink, that hit different. Money no scream when it die, it just buy less, quietly, and wife always know truth before tribe does. Cavemen sit by fire alone now, tribe sleep, wife snore like war drum, me stare into flame and finally see. Inflation not beast you slay, it fire you must tend, small fire, warm tribe, cook meat, bring joy. Big fire, burn cave, toast goats, make tribe homeless and bald, money same. Too little, tribe freeze, no trade, no growth, people fight over rat bones. Too much? Tribe dance for 1 moon, then starve, so me think back. Me print too many tooth tokens because me love tribe. Me want help. Me want to be hero. But hero not one who give most. Hero is one who think long, carry steady flame. Elder say once, gold shine brightest when rare. Me understand now. And inflation? It not just price going up. It trust going down, trust in token, trust in trade, trust in each other. When token lose power, tribe lose faith. People hoard, hide, cheat, even betray. Inflation erode more than money. It erode bond. So cavemen vow, next time tribe panic, me no shout print, me say think. We build steady fire, we watch it, feed it proper logs, no panic, no greed, just balance. Even goat understand balance. Goat no eat all grass. Goat leave some for next moon. Maybe cavemen finally learn. Maybe that the real currency, wisdom, not how many tokens you have, but how well you keep their fire burning. So now caveman sit in cave, older, wiser, and slightly more broke. Tribe no carry caveman on shoulders anymore. But they ask him things. Why soup cost more? Why tokens buy less? Why Unga sell his spear for onions? And cavemen say because we let fire grow wild, we forgot to watch logs. He no speak like wizard, just honest. He tell story of how he gave tribe too many tokens, how they danced then cried. How wife nearly fed him to wolves. He tell them inflation not punishment, it warning. It come when tribes stop respecting value, when we chase feelings not facts, when we want feast but no do hunt. Now cavemen keep small fire burning in clay bowl. He teach younglings how to save, how to trade, how to watch for creeping price ghost. He still eats soup, just smaller bowl. Sometimes cavemen see old cloak seller raise price again. He just grunt, oof, inflation strike again. But this time, he prepared. This time he understand. So if you feel like your money shrinking, your soup getting thinner, your tokens losing bite, you're not alone. Cavemen once confused too. But now cavemen say, control your fire, respect your token, and never let panic be your banker. If you laugh, if you learn, if your brain wrinkle even a little, smash like button with mighty fist and hit scribe stick so tribe grows stronger. Tell cavemen in comments, how inflation sneak into your cave? What price made you scream last moon? And remember, even in confusing money times, you no need become chicken. You still warrior, you still firekeeper. Ooga booga.